everyone, it's me Jai and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we'll be doing another DIY dress transformation project. If you guys are ready, please keep watching and we'll start the video now. I decided to make two crop tops out of this dress. For the first crop top, I will keep top of the dress and make it a peplum crop top. Now we'll put markings on the ruffles and cut them afterwards. This is how the peplum crop top will look like after cutting it from the dress. Now we'll secure the ends of the crop top by pinning and sewing it. For the remaining fabric of the dress, I was quite having a hard time thinking of what kind of design I wanted to be.
A few moments later.
So I ended up making a flowy top out of it. Now I'm putting markings on both sides of the top to know where will I cut the excess fabric. Please bear with my method of marking and cutting the fabric. Like most of you who are watching this video, I am also a beginner. I have no knowledge in sewing. I am just experimenting and trying to learn more. So if anyone out there who is watching my video who is more experienced in sewing, it would be very helpful to put some comments on my video below. Now that we're done draping the front and back side of the top, we'll now start to put markings and to cut the excess fabric. Now that we're done cutting, we'll start hemming the edges of the top by pinning it first, then sewing it later. The next thing that we will do is to attach both front and back side of the top by pinning it. Now we'll sew both sides of the top and make sure to cut the excess fabric afterwards. For the remaining excess fabric, we'll cut 4 pieces of 1-inch strip to use as straps. We'll fold the strip into half lengthwise and sew it with a straight stitch. Next is we'll turn this strip right side out. We'll attach the safety pin on the other end of the strap and put the head inside and start wiggling it until we reach the other end of the strap. We'll do the same steps for the remaining 3 other strips we did earlier. Now, it's time to attach the straps into the top. I decided to make it a tie-up strap so that it will be easier for us to adjust. We'll sew the strap by stitching a square into it.
Kick.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys like it. If you have any comments and suggestions for my next video, please write it down on the comment box below. And for more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!